Subsidiary company, it means a company controlled by a holding company is called subsidiary company. That is, if one company has controlling over the another company, the controlled company is called a subsidiary company. A holding company can control the subsidiary company in three ways. The first one, by controlling the board of directors. That is, if holding company has a power to appoint or remove the majority of the board of directors, it can control the subsidiary company. Then second way is by holding more than 50% of voting power. That is, if holding company has more than 50% of voting power in a subsidiary company, means it can influence the major decision in subsidiary company. Then the third one is by another subsidiary company. That means if one company does not have a direct control over the subsidiary company, but still it controls through their subsidiary company. Next, move on to the next one, types of subsidiary. There are two types of subsidiary. First one, wholly owned subsidiary. The second one, partly owned subsidiary. In wholly owned subsidiary, the holding company holds 100% of share in subsidiary company. There is no outside shareholders. But in partly owned subsidiary, the holding company holds more than 50% but less than 100% of shares in subsidiary company. The remaining shares are held by the outside shareholders. Thus, a subsidiary company operates as a separate entity, but it is controlled by the holding company by controlling the board of directors or holding over 50% of voting power or through any subsidiary company.